Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to use KFC points. Alright, so let's begin. To redeem KFC points, you typically scan your app at the counter, kiosk, or drive-thru. Then tell the restaurant team you want to redeem your rewards. You can also redeem points directly in the app when ordering online or for KFC delivery. KFC Trinidad and Tobago mentions that rewards can only be applied to online purchases, not in store. KFC Malaysia states that you can redeem points via offers and rewards before checkout on your next purchase. Here's a more detailed breakdown. Using points in store. First, open your KFC app and scan it at the point of sale. Inform the staff that you want to use your reward points. Follow their instructions to redeem your rewards. Using points online ordering or KFC delivery, add your desired items to your basket. Locate the offers and rewards section within the app. Select the reward you wish to redeem. The reward should be automatically applied to your order. Note that you can only redeem one reward per transaction. Some locations, like those in Trinidad and Tobago, only allow online redemption. KFC Trinidad and Tobago. KFC Malaysia mentions that rewards are reflected in your app the next day after scanning at the kiosk. YouTube suggests downloading the new KFC app for the best experience. So that's basically how you can use KFC points. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.